Anything better? Says Springfield. You start. Or off center. Or off. You know what you can do? Go into what you can do is go right click on the desktop of that monitor and open up your settings, your display settings, and then change it to just and then just change that monitor to vertical instead of horizontal, and then change it back, and then just leave it because it'll if you don't do anything, it automatically if it defaults back if you don't accept it. But that switch back and forth will pile everything in the center when it switches back. Just go to this. Where the heck is it? Somewhere on here. Right here where it says display orientation, landscape, portrait. And then just it's going to look weird, but I mean, it'll just don't do anything and it'll default back to landscape. And don't hit accept. All right, you can do the same to the top monitor. It will just it'll default all your open windows into it'll just group them into the center when it goes back, and then you just can move them around how you Can you hear me now? I can. There's the push up. And that's all she wrote there. Do we get a pullback to go along? See what happens. Nope. That's gonna get me. I don't know. Doesn't look like it wants to go up. I won't give this a lot of leeway, that's for sure. Well, that was less than fun. Got out with a little a little scalp. I think you could be coming down to set up for a bounce on the small chart. There we go. There's your bounce. Now go up. Come on, go up. Every chart you had turned into 6E. Come on, push up. I am long NQ off the 77. It's gone. See ya. Breakthrough, baby. Come on, run up to the yeah. There's a good bounce right there. Anybody catch that NQ? I said it's gonna bounce right. I okay. I said it's gonna bounce right here. Alright. I don't I thought it's the same thing as I said yesterday, but I guess I wasn't clear yesterday. I don't know. Maybe I was thinking it in my head. I guess I was thinking it in my head, but I didn't say it right. I don't know. All right, that's all we're flat. That's all right. That's a good trade. It's a good bounce. Yeah. 12-6 E's. Another bounce. Yeah. Why don't you just do one chart with multiple tabs for each account? Huh, okay. Or you can label the tab, the account number. Like you could literally create one chart, 4 or 5 tabs. Okay. I don't see. Are you sharing? Because I don't see anything. Yeah. Now it is. There it goes. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. I'm not going to argue with that. Okay. That is true. Why don't you just set up another ATM and add it to the one right next to it? That way you can just click back and forth. You don't have to do the drop down menu. No, that's not my problem. My problem is the micro mini button to the right. Yeah. Oh, yes. Super easy. And then you don't have to do the, I'm just saying, so you don't have to do the drop down. There you go. Now you can just switch back and forth before you do your micro to mini. Oh, CMQ. Yeah. What, 6 6? Oh. No, my ATM's not, I always got the ATM right. In my head, I'm trading a mini, so I got 10 freaking micros on it. And it turns out it's I mean, I'm trading a micro with a 10 ATM, but it turns out I'm trading a mini with 10. That's a talk very, you know. No, and I did. I changed the ATM to 10 micros. I just didn't change the micro to mini, the mini to micro. That's where it got me. I didn't even have time to react. It blew that account so fast. It's like I was like, oh, I couldn't even hit kill or close. It just boom, instant admin thing popped up. It's like, well, there goes that PA. Have a nice life, PA. Guess
Oh shoot! There we go. And I was all flustered there for a minute.
guess nobody caught anything.
Are you guys here? Anybody here? When
Do
nobody
the
responds, I get annoying. They should know that. The only person that doesn't know that is Sten.
that's got to go right after
I'm
that.
gonna find some more sounds to put in here.
Yes,
Totally gonna find some more sounds.
we need the Bueller one. Can't not have the Bueller one.
No, I gotta do like I want
Bueller.
new sounds, new room, new sounds.
Yeah, but so appropriate. Bueller.
Let's see. Let's see. I bet. Why can't you have an AI make you a sound?
Oh yeah, you can have 'em. I don't know if Perplexity will do it. Try
Chat GPT.
Copilot or the other one that you use with your phone. What's the one you use with your Google?
It does. I don't think it'll do it.
Oh. Now, if
Let's
you
see.
have the Copilot, if you have Perplexity's computer, which you should have because you're a pro member, right? So you can go into computer and that's like a different, that'll find a way to make a sound for you. Getting a short on in queue here.
What?
I know, right? Sounds crazy. But there it is. Can only tell you what I see. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Come back down to the bottom and break the bottom. No, it doesn't look like it's going to. Come on. Nope. You bastard.
Well, that was like a half-ass setup. Come on.
Yeah, on the small
Did you
ticket wasn't.
expect
It
me
was
to?
it. I wasn't looking at the big tick. Yeah.
Did you expect
Oh
me
no, I
to?
mean,
Even.
actually, on the big ticket was not. If you look at it,
Oh well, I don't use 292 on the NQ anymore. I just use
I'm using
700 and
610.
oh six.
I
Oh,
use
I didn't
six.
put my. It didn't put me on
I use
610
two.
again.
Yeah, I use 2000 and 610. I don't even use 292 anymore.
610 didn't even get overbought though.
No, but it pulled back up to some support and
77.
that 77.
I knew what you were about to
So
say.
yeah, it was clean too. And then I got the momentum down. Tick strike is short and is lighting up red, so it's like it
Ooh,
all was just
ooh,
clicking.
ooh.
Look,
There we go.
told you, told you. See ya. Of
215.
course, it took me out before it did that, but it's all right.
It's okay. Oh, do we want to micro this thing?
Oof.
I do think we need to be selling the rally. Well, this is cool too because it broke below where we came from on the at the beginning at the Fed announcement. So we haven't seen that in a while either. So that means it should stay down.
Oh, really? Okay, so Ninja's gotten smart on us. I can't trade my cash account. I just tried to take that in
Why?
the cash account. It's telling me because I don't pay for data, Ninja data. I use just I use whatever prop fund I want to use. But now that they're doing away with the Ninja Trader Continuum connection, you got to go through their live connection. And since I don't have data, it's telling me I'm not connected.
You have to pay
I got to pay for their stupid
$30 a
data.
month.
Those. Yeah.
Well, the good news is you don't have to buy a lifetime license key anymore. That was the dumbest thing they ever did.
I mean, well, I already bought that a long time ago. I bought
Well,
that about 5 years ago.
but I think that's stupid. I think that's just stupid though because, well, I know what they were doing. The reason they were doing those lifetime licenses is because they wanted to build up a bunch of cash so they could buy those other freaking
Play prop for
those
trade of
other,
8 and all this. Yeah.
buy all the other companies. I mean, that's a smart on their part that hey, let's charge a lifetime license, and then they come back and they're like, now you got to pay $35 a month still.
Well, damn, that just sucks that I got to use. Yeah, that just sucks that I got to pay for data now. Is anybody else having that problem with their live account that doesn't have data? You pay for data, right?
Yeah. Pay my $37 a month every month.
Yeah, I haven't paid for data in 5, 6 years, and I always traded my account.
I've got to. New first world problems here, man. The way I'm sitting at this new arrangement because I switched to a different desk. It's a little bit higher and it's biting into my arm when I'm holding my mouse.
All right, well, that was the only account I had left to trade today, so I guess I'm
Guess
done.
you're done. I mean, I'm green
I
across
guess I
the
could trade
board,
this.
but
Could trade this one. This has got a small green balance on it.
I have
Everything else
two.
is.
That's what I was gonna say. I got two with a small green balance, three with smaller green balances that I'm gonna try to get some little extra cushion,
Cush pushing.
a little cushion pushing, a little extra juice in them. I got one at 500, another one at 380, another one at 460, 266, and then two that are one that's 138, one that's just slightly red. And I only had one trade that I canceled, and then one that's at 29.50. So those three I'll trade this afternoon. Did you see my message? Like I want to get going on something. I'm tired of waiting.
Probably did not see your message. Where did you put it?
Cha-ching. The one thing I do like about this curved monitor is it's like having almost like having three monitors in one.
The curved one.
Yeah, that's it. I say the one thing that's a big bonus to it. Okay, let's find a trade. Let's play a game called Find a Trade.
Well, crap. All right.
All Contact Ninja. I had the same problem. They set me up free data. There you go.
What happened? Contact
Yeah.
Ninja. I had the same problem. So, okay.
You're wrong, Dan. It was up, then down.
So, Jim, what'd you tell them, Jim, that you were using your rhythmic data or some other data?
He has a license key, I'm assuming.
I do have
I
a
think he
license
has.
key.
No, I think Jim does too. I think
Oh.
Jim has a lifetime license key. Um, so, I'm sure he does. Well, that was a good little trade. I mean, you got two of them. I only got one of them. It's $300 though, for me.
Yeah.
So that $100 trade this morning was my paid accounts.
Oh.
I'm like tempted to just leave it there and be like, oh, do what I told Paul I was going to do, leave it at freaking $100 and move on to the next day.
Move on to the next one.
Yeah, I've been trading it lightly though.
I told you that was going to be your struggle. I know you. I know you too well.
I can
I'm not
handle
saying you can't do it. I just know it'll be a struggle. It'll be hard to resist. Let's see. I have two accounts and ask them if I needed. Okay, but you are paying for a Ninja data. So you have two accounts. I don't know that I follow what you're saying.
Oh, I don't understand that either. How can you have two accounts?
So you were paying for two Ninjas accounts,
There's no way.
and
to
now
have two,
you're
two
paying for
accounts.
zero? I mean, I have two Ninja cash accounts.
No, you can only have one cash account.
No, I have two. I have one in my name, and then I have a joint one with Renee and
Bingo.
I.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but
You
they're two
can't have.
Ninja accounts under
So I have the
my
same
login.
thing. I have one. I have three actually. Well, I used to have three big ones, but I have three. One mine, joint, and the missus. At some point, I'd like to. I'm gonna open a Ninja account in like every person I know's name.
Yeah, that was the plan when my brother-in-law was still alive. We were going to get all the kids, and one for my daughter, one for my. I was
Trade 'em
using
into profits.
Continuum to connect both. Yes, yes, two separate accounts now are connected separate, both free.
Because you householded them.
Okay, Jim, if you don't mind, Jim, let's talk later. Maybe you can help me sort that out. I would appreciate that. Yep.
Cool. Look at that.
Yep.
Everybody helps everybody.
Do I still have your number? I think I do.
I do.
Here.
I do.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I do. I think you're safe. I don't know if you and I talked on my cell or on the old Google voice we had. Oh, never mind. There's your number right there. Everybody write that down.
Oh, hold on a second. Get that real quick and I'll delete it. Well, no, everybody here knows Jim except for
Nah,
Stan.
ain't nobody
He's
gonna
on the
call
stage.
Jim.
Nobody here is gonna do that.
Nobody's going to mess with Jim.
You don't mess around with Jim
Or Slim.
or Slim. You pull the pants off the old Long Ranger.
Pull the mask off the. Why would you pull the pants off of him? What the hell are you thinking? Oh.
So he can't shoot you.
Oh,
Just assume
that's
that's where his
funny.
gun's sitting.
That is absolutely funny. Oh. I don't know that I'll trade anymore today, honestly. I've got everything at its I got one account that's not at its daily, but everything else is green,
Okay.
and I don't think I want to give anything back.
You can spectator me.
I can tater, see what old pal says. I mean, I got this one account I could trade, but if I turn around and lose money and then it goes red, I'll be pissed.
Don't trade it. Just spectator me. I'm gonna trade. I'm
I
gonna
wanted
trade.
to trade my cash account, damn it, but I can't trade it.
Why don't you call Jim now and get it set up? You got a little bit.
Nah, it's
Oh,
5 minutes. I'll
yeah,
wait till
5 minutes.
after pal starts talking.
Watch what happens. He's gonna first word out of his mouth, something's gonna jump, and it'll be
Yep.
like that is one of those pre-planned. Oh, I got the song in your head now, huh?
Yep. Sexual sins that send millions to hell. Okay.
What?
I'm just reading stuff on the internet. American woman moves to Canada to escape Trump. Then reality hits. How would you move to Canada to? Well, I
Go to
guess you could move.
Mexico,
Yeah.
dude.
Heck yeah, go to Mexico. Go to South America. Go to Mexico. Pull up, see when he starts talking, but he's not talking yet.
Thanks for attending, Matt Rife. Your feedback is requested. So the opener for Matt Rife was sucky. Sucky,
Oh,
sucky.
really?
Oh, God, it was bad. Okay, now I'm having an issue with the font being too small on the big screen. How do I change that? But I just want to change in my, like my web browser.
You just want to increase the web browser? Control plus.
Thanks for your tech help there, buddy.
Geek Squad at your service.
All right. Dick Durbin held the seat since 1997. There's some actually cool things they're about to vote on in California that's going to cut a bunch of costs for people. They're going to
We
limit.
need to.
They're limiting healthcare CEO pay structures, stuff like that.
All right, here we go. See,
focused on achieving our dual mandate goals of maximum employment and stable prices for the benefit of the American people.
Gold?
The U.S. economy has been expanding at a solid pace. Job gains have remained low, the unemployment rate has been little changed in recent months, and inflation remains somewhat elevated. Today, the FOMC decided to leave our policy rate unchanged.
No kidding.
Thank you. Thanks for stating the obvious there, dude.
Maximum employment and 2% inflation goals. The implications of developments in the Middle East for the U.S. economy will remain attentive to both sides of the argument.
I don't get it with the Fed. Like, why don't they keep, like, it doesn't make sense to me because inflation's how they make their money. So,
I mean,
To expand. In contrast, activity in the
like-
public sector has remained weak. In our summary of economic projections, the median participant projects that
I found a better way to hold this freaking mouse.
4% this
Whoa,
year
whoa! What just happened?
next year.
hey, look at that. Did it reset itself?
What the heck?
You must have changed the font.
No, I can't see that screen now. Oh, I know what I'm doing.
Job growth over the past year reflects the decline in the growth of the labor force due to lower immigration and labor force participation. The labor demand is clearly
Come on!
other indicators.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Layoffs, hiring, and nominal wage growth generally show little change in recent months. In our SEP, the median projection of the unemployment rate is 4.4% at the end of this year and edges down thereafter. Inflation has eased significantly from its highs in mid-2022, but remains somewhat elevated relative to our 2% longer-run goal. Estimates based on the Consumer Price Index and other data indicate that total PCE prices rose 2.8% over the 12 months ending in
Wait,
February.
what?
And that excluding the volatile food and energy categories, core PCE prices rose 3.0%. These elevated readings largely reflect inflation in the goods sector, which has been boosted by the effects of tariffs.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
Caused by the supply disruptions in the Middle East. Most measures of longer-term expectations remain consistent with our 2% inflation goal. The median projection in the S&P for total PCE inflation this year is 2.7% to 2.8% next year, a bit higher than projected in December. Our monetary policy
What wire
actions are
hit?
guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. At today's meeting, the committee decided to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 3.5 to 3.75%. From last September through December, we lowered our policy rate 0.75 percentage point, bringing it within a range of plausible
Alright, I've got
estimates.
some wire issues I gotta deal with.
This realization
Evidently, if I stick my foot out too far behind the desk now,
while allowing inflation
it
to
kicks a wire to screw the monitor on top. Oy, oy, oy. Oh, CL's flying. Okay, focus on trading. ES is down. Down. I knew this was going to be down. How do we get into it? How do we
Buy
get
button.
into it? Hit the sell button?
I mean, sell button, excuse me.
Hit the sell button, huh?
Yep. Kind of what I did. Just hit the sell button.
Whoa. There you go. All right. How come I can't hear Powell anymore?
Turned him down.
Turned him down. Oh, is my screen still showing? No. I don't know what I did. I kicked something and. All right, let's sell this next rally if it sets up right.
Okay. How is it?
And
Okay,
the
let's see what
ATR
he
is
said.
not really that high.
Inflation has been above target for roughly 5 years now, and so the committee's thinking around this.
So, first let me say, inflation over the last few years and a series of shocks have interrupted progress that we've made over time.
Do we look at something else other than look at some CL here?
I could.
This year is progress.
Yeah. What's CL doing? Let's take a peek.
It's trying to go
Mm.
up. I'm trying to set up a sell signal right here.
Go through the system, go through the economy. That's the main thing we're looking for going into this exercise. And we need to be seeing that.
Smaller tick chart.
If we progress, because on that we didn't make progress. And if you look
Start
at
thinking.
the report inflation,
Oh, there it goes.
Start thinking nothing.
No,
No, I can't trade this.
can't touch this.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. No. Sit here and drink my water with my mineral salts.
Good for you.
My chair doesn't go up high enough for this desk. I gotta rearrange some of this crap tonight. I'll be playing with it again. I mean, it's a sell, but I can't trade this right now.
so 19 regions, real submissions, but you notice change, but there's actually some movement toward a meaningful amount of movement toward fewer cuts by people. So 5 people went from 3 to 1, let's say, to 1 cut. And each person is individual. Yeah. Fine with it. But essentially, it is that
We're gonna get something here a little bit though, the way this is moving.
Yeah, I just gotta wait.
going through once and then the tariff inflation coming down. That's we should be seeing. And the rate forecast is conditional on the performance of the economy. So if we don't see that progress, then we won't see the rate cut.
Howard Schuyler word. That's just a follow-up a little bit to be clear. Is the higher inflation penciled in here for 2026 solely the result of the oil shock or something else?
So that's going to be part of it. That will be interesting to me. So the answer for sure is up here. So
I know I want to sell it, but how do we do it?
Right down here, NQ. I don't know.
I thought that breakdown there was going to be it, and I thought that was going to be it on the ES. Now let's see if it gets a double bottom on the ES. But I know that a break below here. like I said it earlier. If it was broke below that level we had earlier, we should go. But now it should be going. Like now it should be going.
I didn't get the second part here.
Consumers going to be potentially losing money in the gas.
Really clean double bottom here on the NQ. That gets broken. That probably is a good sign that we sell it. You want to buy a bit? Sell a bit. What? I prefer chastity belts. Oh, yeah, trade that. And do a double bottom. You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You just ignore me.
I'm actually I'm listening to Pal, trying to hear what he's trying to say.
Oh, I hate listening to that crap. I'd rather read the recap of it. The recap. All right, let's try to do one of these signals here.
See what happens. I'll turn Pal down.
That little snowbird looks so happy. Says that snowbird? Whatever it is. It looks like sand.
That thing's cool.
It's an owl.
It's an owl. Yeah.
Looks very happy. Thanks for brightening my day up, little owl.
It's an owl.
I'm having a hard time getting on the buy train here, even though it says double bottom, triple bottom on NQ, double bottom on ES.
Oh, bottom on the. Yeah, it's hard to buy it though.
I can tell you one thing, man. This is. I mean, just like you do like 2 regions here to keep me from doing something stupid. Like, there's a region like here. Actually, take it all the way down to like just this area right here. This area right here. Or there is load contracts. How many days is it? Let's go 60 days. There is, look at all these contracts being traded in this region. And originally it was a touch and go region. And when we first got up here, if I have enough days loaded to get back there, do not have enough days loaded to get back there. Well, it's the same one I showed on the daily, right? There's a ton of freaking contracts. A ton of them being traded right here. And then a ton of them being traded right here. I finally got to talk to my buddy again. And he is dead set that this is a seller's market, no matter how good they try to make everything sound. But he was like, this is, he said, this is what showed you. It's never been able to peak back up into this band again. Every time it does, it slaps down. And so somebody's accumulating a ton of contracts here. For another push-up, I don't know. But it sure doesn't seem like it. Like, that's a big step on a daily chart. It's a big step.
Does it come down here and break the low again or what?
Let me get rid of this band. Well, the point I was trying to make with that is we probably should be looking at a short.
I mean, yes, without a doubt. I mean, everything I'm looking at points to lower. That's why I was like, yeah, this is a double, triple bottom down here, but it's hard to take that
I
long.
gotta tell you, if I had my big account again, I would be short. I'd be short at least
Just hold it.
5 or 6 micros for a long haul. Every
Yeah.
time it got up to the top, I'd short one micro. Up to the top, short one micro. When I was at Tom's house, I did 2 minis
Oh,
overnight. Oh, it was a nice little trade. It was like a $2,000 trade. Oh, yeah, we probably should have shorted that little rally, huh?
yeah. So it's a short. Let's see what it does here at the bottom on the NQ here and the ES. See if we get a bounce or. I mean, one thing for sure, I think once it breaks this, I think it's going to go. We could definitely jump on there.
Oh, look, I meant to tell you something. So, I figured out what's going on with your thing.
What's that?
You have to rearrange your screens on your computer because Ninja thinks that there's another monitor above your monitor.
So when you say rearrange, what do you mean?
Like, go through the because I went through this yesterday, right?
Uh-huh.
And I turned on the indicators, and it popped up. One of the indicator windows
Off
popped
the
up to
screen.
the top monitor. I was like, "Oh shit, that's where it's been the whole time."
So
And
what,
now
you
it
just
work-
moved them around? And,
Well, since I moved them yesterday, everyone's working fine. I changed because I have all new monitors. I only have one monitor that left that I was using before.
well, like here's the weird thing. On my the left side, I got the 2 monitors, right, above and below. If I'm on the monitor below and I have the chart on that's tagged, that's basically on the left side. If I hit indicator, it will open up the indicator box, the indicator settings, but it'll be off the screen on the top monitor. But if I maximize the window on the bottom one, so it takes up the whole monitor, then I open it up, it opens up perfect. It's only if it's just half the screen. It's weird. I don't know. There's something's funky. And I never had that problem until you started having it. Now I can't get rid of it. It's irritating.
Didn't you change your Didn't you change your monitor around?
I didn't change my monitors. I played around a little bit with the positioning of them. Whatever I did something. I don't know. I tried to go back to default them all to default. That didn't help. I think this maybe tonight or tomorrow or something. I think I'm gonna rearrange everything. I'm gonna try the vertical.
I
On
know.
the 2
I
sides
want.
with
I
these.
want. I was going to ask, how do we give people the ability to show images in here? I don't know why we decided not to do that.
I didn't even know we did. We did not do that.
All right, perplexity. Here we go. I need you to go to the settings. Mm-hmm. All right, we got to think about shorting this now.
Oh, so it breaks through this. It's a short.
Do you want to do it?
I think we should. I'll do it micros.
Just trying to.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Maybe not.
Nope. I don't want it to
There
go.
it goes.
I'll
Here
try it
she
again.
goes. Here she goes.
They should run.
Yeah.
Come on down. Go. Son of a bitch, it won't
I hit
go.
one tick my target.
It won't go.
It's just people screwing around and trying to take stops. Oh yeah, there's something that said that makes market rally just now. Oh, okay, that's a real thing.
How's it gonna go? Seriously?
Something else said just now. No, Powell said something good, and we're gonna make the market go up, or some bullshit like that, some crap like that. Now, where can we get down to? Oh,
No, it's gonna go back up.
759.
Seriously? Come on, man. Make up your freaking mind. Nope. Doesn't want to break.
It does too.
Come on. There it goes. That's what we wanted. That's how you do it. Cha-ching, baby. Oof. I was in full minis too. I was getting a little stressed.
Holy crap! You're brave.
Yep, I am. I mean, it had to go once it broke this.
Thought it would go.
Yeah,
Minis?
yeah. 2 minis.
Oof.
$300 risk. Had a tight stop on it. I mean, the target's off now. Cha-chinging. It's money. Keep going now.
Yeah, we got about 10 points where it should continue down. Let's see here.
Are they low, maybe? That would be a nice place to go down to.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I was saying, like 740 something. I mean, if it gets past, I mean, if it starts to move, then it's gonna go like.
Oh, it's going to be a big trade. Come on.
What are you in that eval?
I'm in my PA.
Oh crap!
Yeah. That eval, I got $22 left to pass it. I'm not going to try it today. Sure enough, I try to pass that today, I'll end up, I'll lose $800. I know me.
On.
No, I'll pass it tomorrow. It's $22. I'm not in any hurry.
Well, you
I've
were
been
in a
there way
hurry
too many
before.
times. What's that? Yeah,
Said you
well,
were in a hurry.
I tried 3 times today to get that last, whatever I had, a little less than $300. And I made
Should.
one winning trade, then I lost one, and I made another one, then I lost another one, and I was like, you know what? 20-something dollars away from passing it. The hell with it. I'll come back tomorrow. No way. I'm going to tighten this up. I am not giving a penny of this back. Right there.
Yeah, it's gonna take me flat.
Yep, me too.
Boop, flat.
Yep, there it goes flat. Nice trade. All right. Now I really don't have anything left to trade. I guess I could go for that
still
$22.
do have that account that's like $29 green.
The only thing I haven't traded is my cash account. So,
It's not like you can trade that.
no.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Perplexity. All
Did you
right,
fix it?
Stretch. You guys can upload pictures now. Oh, sell this again.
Somebody try it.
Who dare?
No, that's not irritating. Not at all.
Well, I mean, is there anybody out there? Anybody at all still here doing the dang thing with us? Doing the dang thing. Oh, it's tempting to look at this too as a. I mean,
As
it's
another
technically
breakout?
gonna be yeah. I mean, it's a long signal set. It was just, it's here. It's a setup happening on the big tick chart. I mean, a nice setup on the big tick chart, long or short here. Do I want to try that on the ES? Maybe I do an MES. Man, I'm on the right account. I want. Oh, hurry. Do that one. Wait, hold on a second. Yeah, that's the one I want. Alright, so we can put buy up here. Put a sale down here. And that's okay. Those are minis. Did I want to do minis on this? Do I want to do micros? What do you think? Minis or micros?
Probably micros at this point. Although I think we got that prior day low coming up. So on the NQ, I'm not really looking at the ES. There you go.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, it broke down on the NQ. They're trying to sell it. Oh, I didn't get both my stops. My stops in the right spot here.
Come on, break down. Break the breaker.
It wants to.
Breaker. You're in minis, huh?
Yeah, just I was thinking.
Ooh.
I wanted to do
Ooh.
micros.
Ballsy.
It's about a $600 risk. I got faith in it. All it's got to do is break this little shelf right here and it's gone.
I mean,
Here it
everything
goes.
says it will do it, but
Yeah, I mean, again, like I said, that was a setup, and that should do it. Here it goes.
go.
Ooh, GCs. Like, I told you we should be watching GC.
Ooh, look at that drop.
No.
Where can you go to? Let's catch the bounce.
Let's see.
A little bit lower, maybe.
Close to where it's at, yeah. Well, the only thing about this one we're in is we're close to the lows of. Oh, look at that.
I mean, you're getting a buy right now on GC. And a buy on NQ also. Shit. I hate to say, but you're getting a buy on ES too.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, bounce down. Drop. Rug pull.
I was saying, my thought process was if it broke that it would keep going.
I mean, it might still, that may have been just a pullback to go back down.
There shouldn't have been any reason for it to.
NQ doesn't look like it's done, and ES seems to be falling. They seem to be in locking step, so. And gold is going up, which is a good thing.
You know, I'm not smart. There's a little slide out keyboard on this thing.
Slide out keyboard where? Oh, in the desk?
Yeah.
Keyboard thing? Is that hitting your knees? I think this one had one too, but I had to take it off.
It's got a cup holder built in there under the thing too.
Nice.
All right, I'm gonna close this out. Let me close out for me.